Hello everyone, I am Simarjit Kaur from Akal Academy Tanal Kala, Maths teacher, going to present a theorem on the topic of circle for class 9th. Let us start the theorem. Hello. Statement of the theorem is angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Here in the statement there is very important word, that is arc. Now you can see the arc can be a minor arc. In the second case, arc can be a semicircle, or in the third case the arc can be a major arc. Here in the statement there is. Now to prove this theorem, let us suppose O be the center of the circle, AB be any arc. So the angle at the center is AOB. And let us suppose any point on the remaining part of the circle is P. So the angle on the remaining part of the circle is APB. So we have to prove here the angle AOB is double of the angle APB. Now, as the proof in all cases is same, so here we will consider the case number 1. According to that figure we will prove this theorem. Now case number 1, according to case number 1, AB is a minor arc. Now you can see, if we construct here a line joining the center O and the remaining point P, PO, and just extend it to Q, then we can get here by exterior angle property in the triangle AOP, the angle AOQ, which is the exterior angle of the triangle, is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So we will consider it as 1, that is AOQ is equal to APO plus PAO. It means the exterior angle is always equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Now here you can see in the triangle AOP, as O is the center of the circle, so OA and OP are the radii of the circle, and we know if in a triangle, in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then the opposite angles of equal sides are also equal. So here you can see the angle APO is equal to angle PAO. So we will consider it as the equation number 2. Now see, if APO is equal to PAO and we replace in the equation number 1 APAO by APO, we will get AOQ is equals to APO plus APO. Now APO plus APO is twice of the angle APO. We will consider this equation as equation number 2. Now similarly you can see on the other hand we have another triangle named BOP. By using the same concept of exterior angle property and the equal sides property, we will get the third equation, that BO. Now at the end we will add these two equations, equation number 2 and equation number 3. We will get AOQ plus BOQ on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we are getting here twice of angle APO plus twice of angle BPO. Now you can see 2 is common from these two terms on the right hand side, so you will take 2 as common, and inside you are left with angle APO plus angle BPO. Now from the figure you can see angle APO plus BPO is the angle APB, and on the left hand side angle AOQ plus angle BOQ is the angle AOB. Hence it is proved that angle AOB is equal to twice of the angle APB.